Hi, my name is Josh Dayment. I'm a solution architect here at Salesforce. Just want to say welcome to IT Manager. IT Manager is a suite, an app that can be utilized in Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, by any user with a Salesforce license to include platform licensed only users. The app allows you to track various different IT assets, whether that's hardware or software licensing, as well as give you a starting point to start tracking your IT support tickets directly inside of Salesforce. Inside of IT Manager is going to come with 3 flow templates for you to use as well. One of those flow templates is a simple template to start creating your flows to have your user submit support tickets into your IT department and track that information inside Salesforce. The other two flow templates are designed for mobile use. First one of those is going to be an asset scanner that allows you to place a barcode or QR code or any other type of barcode configuration onto an IT asset using the Salesforce mobile app. You can actually scan that QR code or barcode and take action on it directly utilizing a Salesforce flow inside of the mobile app. So I can check equipment in and out. I can track inventory, all using the Salesforce mobile app and flow inside Salesforce. The second one of those templates includes a component for a document scanner. That document scanner allows you to scan a document or use a document stored locally on a mobile device to extract the text from a document and utilize that text inside of a flow directly inside Salesforce. And once again, you can take action based off of that information, whatever you decide to do. But with that, let's get into our demo, and I'll take you very quickly at a high level through IT Manager and what that app looks like. Now it's time for a quick demo. Inside of the actual IT management app, like I said, we have a couple of different objects. We have IT assets, we have IT support tickets, and then underneath IT assets in a master detail relationship, we also have an IT asset assignment. So great way to track either licenses or hardware inside Salesforce is via the IT asset app object that's included as part of the package. So as an example, I'm going to click on new here. From here, I can give it an asset name. So maybe I want to do an HP laptop. Give a vendor, maybe I bought directly from HP. And then the type here is important. Just going to conditionally display different fields depending on whether if I'm doing hardware or software. So in this case, we're going to do hardware. We're going to enter in the serial number for this specific asset. The model, I'm not very good with HP models. Maybe it's something along these lines. But once I'm done, I'm going to click on save. And then on the related tab here, we see that there's IT asset assignments. This is how one would assign this specific asset to a specific user that might have checked it out. So give me a record name. So it's going to be Josh Dayment, HP laptop. Enter Josh, and then the status is going to be active since he is just checking this out now. So I'm going to click on save. And I now see that this IT asset assignment has been created for Josh. If I come back to my IT assets, we can see that this object is now related directly with my HP laptop. I can see Josh Dayment, HP laptop, and I can check in and out those different assets, as well as I can report on this to see who has what assigned to them throughout my Salesforce org, keeping track of all of my assets. On top of the IT assets, we also have an option to create IT support tickets. IT support tickets, the way that we can navigate through here, very straightforward, very basic, but this is a fully customizable object for customers to be able to make it fit their specific business needs. The IT management app is going to give them the very basics as far as what we need to get started to start tracking this information inside of Salesforce. And included in this app, there's also a templated flow that an admin or a developer could put into their Salesforce org that could be launched from a utility bar, from a home page, to navigate the users in how to create these support tickets. Quick, easy, and it's going to get them started to solve their business problems. Maybe I do need a new laptop. Status is going to be my new, save. So now, out of the box, we do have our normal path up at the top, what we might expect when reviewing some type of support ticket, our new assigned statuses, and we're going to give the users a little bit of guidance along this path as well, what each status means, what they should be doing as far as their interactions and things along those lines. And once again, this is fully customizable for the admin or developer. As I'm going through this, I update my statuses. Once it's been assigned to an actual IT team member, I can do that directly from within inside here. And then I can mark that as my current status. I'm going to assign Josh. Josh has picked it up. Josh is starting to work. And then individual users that have the IT management user access are able to see these statuses but are not able to edit, compared to an IT manager who has that permission set and is able to see that, update, and modify these records as done. So Josh has got his new laptop. At this point, I can go ahead and update my status to and resolution. New laptop has been issued. Mark this as resolved. Lets me know the ticket's resolved. I'm good to go. My status successfully changed. Everything is good to go. Once again, I can start reporting on this, seeing metrics directly inside Salesforce. No need for a full license. This is fully supported by the Salesforce platform license, saving our customers some costs, getting them into Salesforce, but getting everything inside Salesforce. Staying with that moniker of, if it doesn't exist in Salesforce, it doesn't exist at all. So we can help start moving all of our customers into here. On top of these few objects that we have inside of the app, we have some mobile options as well. Our mobile options include an IT asset scanner, to where if you have a QR code affixed or a barcode affixed to a specific IT asset, using the Salesforce mobile app, you can actually scan those items directly inside Salesforce, and we'll see that in the mobile portion of the demo coming up shortly, along with the IT document scanner. IT document scanner, once again, allows you to scan documents inside of the Salesforce mobile device, extracts that text, and we can use that text inside of Salesforce Flow. But this is the IT management app at a high level. In the next slides, we're going to see the mobile portion of the demo.
With inside of here, like I said, there's two components. We have an IT asset scanner as well as an IT document scanner. The IT asset scanner allows us to check in or out specific equipment, and this is actually a flow component. So not only is that exclusive to checking in IT assets, if I have another business use case that requires me to scan a QR code or some type of barcode and utilize it in Salesforce Flow, that is 100% available as well. But for this, we have a templated flow as part of the IT manager that's included in this package. So from here, I can actually click on scan. It's going to open up the window, and that happens very quickly. You can actually see that it scanned the QR code. My asset's been successfully checked in, and assignment's been set to inactive on my IT assignment record related with this IT asset. I can click on finish, and it's going to take me right back to that screen. Next up, included as part of the IT manager package, we have a document scanner. Once again, this is a flow component being able to be utilized inside of a screen flow. However, it can only be used inside of a Salesforce mobile app or the Salesforce mobile publisher app. From here, I can choose to either scan something utilizing my camera. I could actually use the photo library that's local to my device storage and scan a PDF document, an image, so on and so forth. But for this case, let's go ahead and use camera. So if I tap on camera, I'm going to find a document that I want to scan. I'm going to take a picture of that. Click OK. Then at that point, the IT document scanner is actually going to scan the document's text, extract that text, show me the end results, and store that as an output variable that I can utilize in my flow for further use downstream to modify records, update information, so on and so forth, helping with the entire IT management process.
And with that, that concludes the demo of the IT Manager and IT Management app, as well as